Welcome to Vote SMS. In this video we'll show you how to create campaigns, step by step, so you can easily connect with your audience. To get started with creating a new campaign in Vote SMS, begin by navigating to the top bar and clicking on Campaigns. In the top right corner, select the Create Text Campaign option to open up the step-by-step guide for setting up your campaign. In the first step, name your campaign. This name will appear in your campaign reports and will make it easier to search for and differentiate between your individual campaigns. In the second step you can choose your audience. Vote SMS offers two audience types. The first type is the simple campaign option, where your message will only be sent to the list of contacts that were specifically used for this campaign. New numbers that are later added to your phone book will not receive this message. The second type is the drip campaign, which automatically sends your campaign to new contacts as they are added to your list. Select the type of campaign you want to create. For the purpose of our demonstration we use the simple campaign option. You can then select the source file for your campaign. You can either upload your contact list by dragging and dropping an Excel file. Enter the cell phone numbers manually, by copying and pasting them into the text entry field, or selecting a previously created phone book. If you have saved your phone book in a folder, first select the corresponding folder. Then choose your phone book. Once your audience is set, it's time to adjust your campaign settings. Here, you can customize the recipient number and apply filters like gender, states, or time zones. For example, if you want to send a campaign only to female contacts in your phone book, you can select F for female under the gender filter. You can do the same with states. Or you can also filter by time zones if you only want to target contacts in a particular zone. The No Campaigns Last filter allows you to control the timing of your messages. Use this to set a minimum number of days since the last campaign, helping you avoid overwhelming your audience. If you want to remove the filters, you can do this by using the Clear Filters button. In the fourth step, you can create the message for your campaign. You can type it manually, or select from a pre-saved template if you have one. If you want to compose your text manually, click on the text entry field and write your message. This is an example of how a text message for an event invitation could look like. If you're sending an MMS, you can also attach a file. Just make sure any images are under 600 kilobytes for optimal delivery. Select your image and click on Attach File to complete the process. Once you have finished writing your message, you can view a visual representation of how your readers will receive the message on the right-hand side. In the fifth and final step, you can schedule when the message will be sent. You can do so by activating the switch to enable. Applying this step is especially important if your recipients are in different time zones, to be TCPA compliant and not send messages before and after hours. By clicking on the orange squares you can remove or add hours. Once everything is set up, click Create Text Campaign. However, keep in mind that this will not automatically start sending the campaign. To broadcast your campaign, you must press the Start button to initiate the process. Thanks for watching. Start creating and sending campaigns with Vote SMS today.